Occasionally, Android phones users run into problems with their mobiles, such as the device drains the battery too fast or is being very slow. But luckily for them, their phones have a feature that can help them fix these problems by narrowing down and cracking them down. What is the Android Safe Mode and what's it for? The Safe Mode in your Android phone can help you zoom in on the reason behind your phone running very slow or crashing. How to enable the Safe Mode in Android phone? Hold power button. Long press power off option. Tap OK for Safe Mode. Safe Mode confirms success, but for most Samsung devices, they have to employ a different method. Step 1. Reboot your phone by following the steps above. Step 2. At Samsung logo, use volume down for Safe Mode. Safe Mode confirms success. The way to turn off the Android Safe Mode. Hold power button. Open power menu. Tap restart if available. Else, pick power off. After shutdown, press power until logo appears.